Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how I create aesthetic playlist videos from start to finish using only my phone. This is my complete workflow, from choosing songs and finding matching images, to editing, adding effects, typography, and exporting the final video. If you're a beginner, don't worry, I'll explain every step along the way. So let's get started. Step 1, song selection. The first thing I do is choose the songs. For this playlist, I'm using 4 songs. One tip I always follow is choosing songs that match the same mood or vibe. A consistent mood makes the playlist feel much more aesthetic. Step 2, finding images. Now it's time to find images. Use Pinterest because it has a huge collection of aesthetic photos. Instead of downloading random aesthetic pictures, I always search for images that match the emotion of the songs. The goal isn't just to make the playlist look pretty, it's to make every image support the feeling of the music. Step 3, image quality. After downloading the images, I open InShot and enhance their quality. This helps the images stay sharp after exporting the final video. Step 6, color grading. Now I apply the Hollywood Past filter. I keep the intensity around 50 because it gives a soft, vintage look without making the colors look too strong. Next, add a blur effect. I keep the blur at around 20%. A small amount of blur makes the playlist look softer while still keeping every image clear. Step 7, overlay. Now I import the same images again as overlays. I crop them into a square shape, then align them to the left side. This layout gives the playlist a cleaner and more premium look. For the overlay images, I use the Pendulum 1 combo animation. It creates a gentle movement that makes the video feel alive. Step 8, text. Now it's time to add the song titles. I'm using the Azucarado font because it matches the overall aesthetic style. I also add glow and shadow to improve readability. Then I keep all the text in uppercase for a clean and consistent design. I extend the text until the end of each song. Whenever the song changes, I split the text layer and replace it with the next song title. This keeps everything perfectly synchronized. For the text, I use fade in and fade out animations. This makes every title appear and disappear smoothly. Step 9, image animation. For the first image, I add a fade in animation. For the last image, I add fade out. This gives the playlist a smooth beginning and ending. Step 10, transition. Between every image, I use the black fade transition. It creates a seamless flow throughout the playlist. Step 11, watermark. Now I add my channel watermark. I place it in the center and keep the opacity around 65%. This helps protect the content while keeping the design clean. Step 12, final check. Before exporting, I always preview the entire video once. This helps me catch any timing or editing mistakes. Step 13, export. Finally, I export the project in 4K 60 FPS for the best possible quality. And that's exactly how I create my aesthetic playlist videos. These settings work well for my editing style, but don't be afraid to experiment with different fonts, effects, colors, and layouts to create your own unique look. I hope this tutorial helped you. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.